Hello and welcome to Microsoft Hates Greg. My name is Greg Deckler, and today's a little different. I was on my lunch break and had a person ask for some assistance in the forums. So I figured I'd throw together this really quick little video to show them how to copy visuals between reports. So essentially, they have a report that they have in the service. They want to be able to copy visuals to another report that they created. So the easiest way, there's a few different ways of doing it, but the easiest way to do it is, so let's say that we have in the service, we have this report right here. Now, if you don't have a local copy of the report, the PBX file, you can always download the file to get the PBX file. I actually have the file here. Nope, here. There we go. So I've actually got the PBX file here. I'm loaded up in the desktop. So I've got a new report, right? So I've got a brand new report. So I can say get data, Power BI semantic models. Maybe eventually it shows up. It's thinking about it. Things are really slow today for some reason. Okay, Power BI, what are you doing here? Are you broken? Oh, it's doing this crazy thing. I may have to like completely. It's been doing this lately. I don't know if anybody else knows, but Power BI has gotten really crazily unstable, it seems like. Oh, yeah, it's totally hosed. So what I'm gonna have to do is go to Taskbar Manager, and I'm gonna have to just when it gets like this, it just PBX goes Power BI just goes out to lunch. So I basically have to end all the tasks. So here's actually the forum post that I was talking about. We'll try this again. I mean, I've just noticed, I mean, this year Power BI desktop, versions have just been, I would call rather unstable. And you get into situations I've had to go into Task Manager and just kill Power BI. I don't know how many times. It's really annoying. I'll try this again. Oh, look, came out. So I'm going to connect to my to hell with date diff. I was trying to have this all set up for you guys. So now I can open up this report. Hey, at Power BI. There are days. Hopefully it doesn't crash on me. I am using, I believe, the latest version. Okay. Okay, so now I've got so there's my table. I can then just hit Control C to copy that. I've selected this visual. Control C, Control V, and there you go. I mean, Power BI desktop issues aside, right? Simple. This should have taken like literally like a 1 minute video, but of course it's turned into like a 5 or 6 minute video. So, but there you have it. That's how you can copy really easily, right? Between you can see down here, I'm connected live to Power BI semantic model. If I want to change that, I could change it to direct query in that by, I think, well, it used to be you could change it, but yeah, well, they've switched this again apparently, or Power BI is just not working where you used to be able to like click down here and switch it to direct query, but apparently they've moved that or done something with it. So yay for Power BI. Anyway, that's all I have for this video. I'll see you next time.